all, here is a simple C code snippet where a pointer of float type is declared. What do you mean by float pointer here is basically this pointer stores the address of float variable. Like example, if you have float a is equal to 10, then the address of that particular variable will be stored in this ptr. Okay, and then what we are doing is we are trying to print, and we have format specifier which is a float type, and we are trying to print the size of this particular pointer ptr. Now what could be the output of this? Okay, so to understand this, the first thing what we have to understand is what we are trying to print size of the pointer, right? What would be the pointer? Pointer is nothing but a address value, right? It is always an integer value because address will not be floating type. So that means this particular function output will be an integer value. Okay, and we are going to print the size of this particular address, which will always be 4 bytes, right? Now in Windows, so now if you see, this is integer type and we have mentioned a specifier of float type. So in this case, when we try to print, you can see it returns 0 because these two are incompatible types. Now for this, let us try to typecast this particular pointer to a float type, and then let us try to print. You can see you get a value of 4, but generally we don't as we have mentioned, address will always be an integer, right? The size will always be integer, it will not be floating. So the good way of printing this is you mention a format specifier of integer type and then print the pointer which gives 4. Okay, so this is how you have to print. So when you have percentage of here, you have to typecast and print. Thank you.